Whoa, it's BBR Productions back here with another video. I told you guys I'd get back to you. Look at it.
God, it's so stupid. I can't believe I leaned down and he ran right into me. Oh, you're stupid, Paul. He ran right into me.
Let's turn it off. We have the Ram. As you can see, it is a new
Bright.
It is a Ram. This one is our homemade tank track. This is our favorite one. You got the bullet there. You just gotta.
The fastest one.
Fastest one.
Clothes hanger mod on controller.
Yeah, we have to. Long story.
This is a really good claw or rock crawler recommended. Amazon.com. Support me. Yes.
All the trucks have them, and this is not a truck, so don't think, wow, why didn't we show you? But
okay, we're gonna show you the speed of each of them and all that, and the good features.
We might. This one we might not show, but they have high and low.
Well, we'll show them. We'll just show them.
In all of them. And
high, low, high, low. This one, high, low.
This one has high, low, but this is a different brand.
What are you doing?
Trying to show them the bottom.
Oh.
This is the bottom of both of these. They have a bottom. They take a 9.6 volt battery.
These two are mine. These three. No, that one's his.
Yeah. I'm getting a new one. I'm probably going to be getting a
Traxxas.
Maybe a Traxxas.
No, probably not. Those. No.
There's another brand, and this is the bottom of this one. It's pretty simple, but you have to unscrew because it's a newer one, and
also it's 4-wheel drive.
Oh,
two
they have the
motors.
steering compartment thing.
Yeah, I know. It's on every single RC car you ever get.
Yeah, well, mine's broke off. Let's put it that way.
Okay, I was gonna
Mine's
say.
staying in by wire. It is a very old one. This is from 1999.
These are both from like the 2000s, probably late 90s, early 2000s. This one I just got like 2 weeks ago, 3
I bet
weeks.
these are around that other controller says 96. These don't have a year.
No.
I don't know if that means they're newer because they're too lazy to put the year, or they're older because they're too, I don't know. You never know, and I don't think this one says it either. This is, holy.
What?
92! That's the RAM.
Focus, camera, 92. Yep.
I'm gonna go with this is almost newer.
No, they got them the same year. They bought them the same time.
This was a different one then.
This just doesn't. It's been like wiped off. No, it doesn't say it.
And see, that controller's different anyways.
Yeah, they're different. This one's a 29. This one's a 47 or 49.
I used to have two, but when I was a younger kid, my dad let us have one, these all used to be our dad's except this one. No, we're not brothers.
Notice it's the worst, crappiest one out of every of them.
It actually is, but
yeah, it's really slow.
Yeah, we'll start them up in a few minutes. But this one, my dad used to have one that looked similar to this, and it was a Ford, and he can show you the batteries right now.
This one is the old one that goes to the Ford, and then this one is the new one. He bought two of these for
the other
that
one's
car,
in my truck.
and he's charging both of them. This one goes to the Ford, the one with the Ford, and this one, it didn't come with it, but you had it.
Yeah,
because it was with that truck. He has another battery, but it's melted and it's like.
Long story. I put it into this quick charge thing. Well, it overheated the whole thing and it pretty much was about to blow up. It was smoking, so that was bad. I wasn't recording, so I actually have no footage of that. I might try to plug it in again after that's live. But here's the controller. It's a different brand. I personally like these better. My partner likes these better, but, you know.
I don't actually care. I mean, okay, yeah, I do like that better because it's bigger. It's just easier to handle, but with my fat hands and, like, small, that one's actually easier.
Here, try it real quick.
Yeah. I mean, look, I can barely get my hand actually, like, though, seriously. That's sad. I have small
Here's my
trees.
compartment. I can fit every battery and charger for me.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
He does not have any batteries. Actually, he doesn't have any batteries. I do have a remote-controlled helicopter. I'll be back. You entertain me.
Yeah, go get that. I'm not going to entertain crap because I suck at that. Yeah, he has a remote controlled helicopter. That's pretty cool, actually. It doesn't fly very good in wind. That's like the only downfall of it. Other than that, it's like a really good helicopter. There, perfect.
Okay,
It's set up. It's only showing like, you can see all of that right there.
Okay.
But past that, past the pool table, you can't see actually any of that. So just stay in this area. This is the remote controlled helicopter right here.
Yeah.
I like it a lot because we need to try and put a landing pad on that.
It's not good for wind at all. It's more of
Yeah.
an inside flyer, but
I already told him that it's kind of bad at wind.
yeah, so.
This one's not very good anyways, like it's stealth.
Yeah, sure.
This is how fast it goes. This isn't a fully charged battery, but I just like plugged it in. So yeah, it's pretty much a fully charged battery. But it was only $25 on Amazon, and I shouldn't have spent money on it. But
It was kind of waste money because.
But at the time, I didn't know they worked right.
Because I didn't have a good battery when he tested them.
But it still is the best thing. Like
We have
here's my
more now.
tip.
Unless we're going to my cousin's house tomorrow. We might try to do a little video. I don't know.
Probably, we could probably get one.
They're better on the highway.
Oh yeah.
Don't drive them on the highway.
I drove this one. I drove this one in front of a car and it swerved it off into the ditch. They were like going super fast though for like on the highway.
And it's very dangerous. We did it in the dark.
Yeah.
And
best time to do
no, these tracks
it. You just take them off. They
are
don't
not workable
work.
on
They just
this.
look cool. So
that's why we did it.
This
They
is
were
the best
better
one.
for mine. Yes.
oh, it
it's
doesn't even
actually-
have a battery in it.
No, we'll show them mine. In the
Yeah, because that one's.
Okay.
Yeah,
They have high and low. We put it in low. This one's not in a fully charged battery because I'm trying to charge them, but
You're gonna have to. I'll show you. Okay, you can.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, you're gonna have to go back and forth.
And just pick it up and follow it.
Oh, yeah.
This is how we follow them. This one's, it's a different brand.
It's fast. Its speed is like.
Oh, I need my antenna.
Oh yeah, but it's because look, it broke off.
Yeah, it's a long story, but.
I don't even actually know the story.
Yeah, well, it happened to my grandma's house. Where we normally do our videos, okay.
Durability, I would say, is like a 9.
They're awesome durability. They can hit everything, too.
I don't think that was good. Oh no, we're gonna blow. Yeah, durability really good. Okay, so this is the. Do you even know the brand?
Actually, no, and I will not take off the top because my dad does not want me, and it's his, so I take what he wants. Kind of how I roll my family. I think you should respect your father. And not really that even. I don't think it'd be smart at all to take it off.
I think we should, when we go hunting, I should try to get a GoPro.
You're just gonna cheap. Don't get an actual one.
Why?
Get one like my brother.
Yeah, I know. How much was his, do you think?
I don't know. Ask my parents.
It's like an off-brand GoPro.
It is.
But it's actually really, really good.
It is.
Because I think we should keep it up in the stand with us so I wouldn't have to like hold my phone. And then we could hunt. I don't know if we can actually show that footage,
We
but
probably won't because.
I'd still want to have it anyways. I'll put it in. You hold the camera. Or high quality camera right there, boys. Very, very, very. This one has a cover. His is like.
Mine's kind of broken.
Thing is just broken.
And it really sucks. Okay, this is our fastest one, and I'll let him drive it.
Oh yeah.
They swerve a lot more. They have smaller tires, but there's not too much difference.
Overall, they're actually pretty fast. It's stuck on a piece of wood. Oh, jeez.
Switch battery.
Okay, yeah. So this is a new Bright, and I don't know actually which one this was. I'll have to ask my dad.
Yeah, we don't know what was on top of this.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the cover that it had on, but I know I don't have it anymore because they've been sitting out my garage for about rocks. Probably about
Before we
10
show you
years.
this one, I'm actually gotta give the camera to my friend and we'll fly the helicopter for you guys.
Okay, hold on. After this,
He'll get the battery in and we'll...
then I can drive this. I've tried hooking up my phone to one of the things and it just fell off immediately. Or no, I haven't tried hooking up, but I tried hooking up on that one, but it has like two engines. It's really slow, but it climbs over everything.
Okay.
And this used to have another KC light on it.
Yeah. My KC lights, I personally think are cooler. Like, not in a mean way, but...
How?
Because they move.
That doesn't make... Why does that even make a difference?
Okay, in the comments, tell us. Do you think those KC lights are cooler or these?
Well, they're gonna look way cooler anyways, because they're...
But, oh no, man.
And that's broke in. Everything's broke on it now.
It's my fault.
Controller's barely working. Lights shut off, you know.
It's all flipping weird.
Don't look out the window, it'll just freak you out.
You just freaked me out by telling me that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm a baby. When it comes to creepy things, it's not actually that creepy, but still. Okay, let's go. Yeah, you have to bring out that antenna.
But I pee myself, but no, I don't think I turned it on. No, I turned it off when
And we'll probably do another video because we just need to get these all charged. We like to sit in the bed of my truck and drive them.
Not as fast as the other one.
But it's probably...
It looks cool, right?
Run over that bug.
In the comments, say whether you like the Dodge or the tank modded one. Which one looks cooler with the tracks on that one? It still spins, but I don't know why it spins. It's on like dirty concrete, so. Alright, now take the camera. After I Okay, so
We'll show you our helicopter.
This is the Dodge. Okay, that was insane. This is how fast the
Hand it
tires
over to my
spin.
friend.
This is how fast the
What
tires
up?
spin.
See, this looks like they spin slower than mine, but they go faster. It's
Yeah,
kind of weird.
They do look like they spin slower. So this is the Dodge.
Okay, here's the helicopter.
Hold on.
This is actually mine.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Andy has a drone that's insane as
Yeah,
crap.
we'll do another video on that.
and then we can throw it at each other. And yeah, do all that good stuff. Good.
Sorry.
I'm breaking all my crap today. God, it's a really good one if you know how to control it. Yeah, and the
Okay.
wings. Okay, let's show you the controller first, the basic controls of it.
It is full on basic, like, okay, just aim it at that. Okay, you go
You
up.
put it up, okay, it moves up. This spins the back rotor.
This
right
is
there.
lights on and off. I like them off. You search battery fast.
You just leave that alone pretty
Yeah,
much.
and this you like to use, and it'll keep it steady if you use that.
Yeah, okay. So let's just get some more footage. And it can't hold much weight. Oh! Oh, okay. It scares me when you
That's
get...
about it.
Yeah, when you get close to objects with that, it scares me. I don't like when it flies into stuff. Yeah,
That
that's...
would be about it.
That is all the RC cars.
Come on, leave stuff in the comments. I mean, what kind of videos do you want us to do? And I know we're probably not that big of...
35 people, come on, we're going strong. No, I'm kidding, we suck.
But, you know...
We don't make any money. There you go.
I have fun doing it, so it doesn't actually bother me at all. What you guys say to me?
We do need to hook it up to the thingy-majiggy. Okay, yeah. Those are the good batteries. Recommend those. Those were on eBay, but they also have them on Amazon, but they're cheaper on eBay.
That is actually a surprise. Even on Prime, they weren't even cheap. And yes, this is the melted one. It overheated. And I will never do that again. But I actually have another quick charge that looks way better.
Let's go see if he's recording his YouTube.
Let's try using this. Shut off that. We'll get back to you in a while. Okay, can you actually see that white?
Yeah, you can see it.
Let's go to that plug-in.
Oh, you can see it on video. Okay.
Go point it at that.
Okay, just keep the lights off. We'll go. Oh, my phone case is glowing.
So cool. I'm gonna do it somewhere else. This is kind of creepy. I don't like it in here, do you?
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
that fell. No, I'm
this.
going now.
It's on the ground.
Yeah, I don't know.
Doesn't this look cool? It looks red.
Is it not red?
No, it's white.
Well, I can't see any of it. Come over the. Oh, look at your sheet. White. Now, see if you can see your teeth. Show your teeth. Oh my jeez, you look black. You just look black.
I'm gonna look at your hair. It looks white.
Stop! You're scaring me. I think it's a dog. You're scaring the ear out of me. Hello, is your name Becky? I know, it's insane. I hate it.
What's it doing, Jackie?
Show it on the doggy. Hello, doggy. Little doggy.
Can you see this? Oh no, they're black and white CUs.
It's
so white.
Don't show me. It's so creepy.
Look at all that stuff.
What is that, dude? You could never see that in actual light, though. That's what I hate. What is it?
It's just fuzz.
Just fuzz is everywhere.
Dude, no, your ears. They have white powder all
Let me
over.
see them. Let me see them. What the hell are you gonna do? You're gonna kill him. Look at me. Look at me.
Hey, Danny.
Wait.
Did we leave the garage light on?
Oh my
I'm not
god.
going out there, though.
Either. Turn the lights on.
I know it was.
I hate this. Being in the dark is so creepy in your house. What? See, like, you can't see it in normal light.
Because Biden was the last one out.
Oh, yeah. But it's okay. Because he'd blame it on us. But it's cool. Like, see, you can't see that stuff in normal light.
No.
You can't see any of it. Hello, doggy. Hi, little doggy. Doggy. You tired, doggy?
It looks cool.
It was creepy.
So much white stuff around.
And there's stuff you can
Good
see.
look on the dog, though. He still looks the same. That looked red. Dude, so red, that white thing.
And if you show your teeth, it looks so creepy.
That thing. The cabinet looked red.
No, the London would be what I would call funky. The white one I would call.
Doggy.
I don't know.
Doggy. No, it's so creepy. We're gonna die.
You guys probably could take that dog outside since he's been asleep for a while again. Maybe pull the bathroom.
Tinkle, tinkle.
It works, but it's really.
Hold it in. It ain't even coming on then.
I didn't do anything. Oh, it's not plugged in. Okay, that makes me feel better. I was like, I don't remember doing anything. Look at all the dust over here.
That's so gross. No, it's not gross, but it's just weird.
It is very weird. It's kind of weird. At the same time.
You can't go under the couch.
But don't we look creepy? Brennan looks creepy. Really?
Yeah, it's weird. It's so creepy.
Doesn't he
Show
look
yours, show
creepy?
yours. It's creepy as
Look at Brendan. He looks like he's an old man that has like bad seeing.
Let me show you yours. Show you.
Oh, that's scary. There might be a killer clown.
I want to go outside. And then you can't bury yourself into me. What are you doing? He's like digging in me.
Let's take him outside before it gets any later.
I don't want him to pee all over me. Let's hurry. Come on, little doggy. You feel it raining? I ain't even gonna look. I'm still recording. Stop. It's so creepy. I ain't going out there. Just let him go. Like, we don't care. Doggy, go to the bathroom.